Noralom Ahmed from Northeast India. I am a student of a global language school QUR'AN. At first, I would like to thank my honorable teacher, Mr. Lokman Hussain Ansari, because he teaches us using very easy methods. I wanna share my friend's daily life on the stage. My friend is my father. He is a professor of Santali Ansalik College. I hope that you will listen to me carefully. So first of all, my father wakes up around 5 o'clock. After getting up, he goes to loo and brushes the teeth, washes the hands and legs and splashes the face. Then he makes ablution. After making ablution, he comes back in his room and he puts on his clothes. Then he goes to mosque for performing the namaz of Fajr. After paying the namaz, he goes on morning walk. After that, he comes back our home. Then he takes breakfast. Just taking breakfast, he goes to market for purchasing fish and vegetable. After that, he takes bath and he moves his body. Then he takes lunch. After lunch, he goes to college riding his bike. My dad takes history subjects in college. After finishing his classes, he returns his home. After returning home, my dad washes hands, legs and splashes the face before he goes to the mosque for performing the namaz of Maghrib. He takes a snack. After that, he gossips with his companions. And then he again goes to the mosque for offering namaz of Isha. Then father comes back our home. After coming back, he takes dinner and takes a rest for some time. My dad teaches me all subjects and guides me whatever I need. He makes bed and sleeps till morning. Guys, my father brings to me my all important goods when I do ask, and he fulfills my all needs. So I am very lucky son because I have got such a great father. My father is a real hero for me. I request my all friends, brothers and sisters, everybody should respect you dear parents. So that's all. Thank you for listening to me.